in love with a player. I was chasing her, but she was chasing the paper. Nah, nah. You got a bad man falling, going through hoops like Jordan. Give me one time, baby.
What's up, y'all? I'm KAHLEIAELORIA. Welcome back to my channel. So, y'all, I have salad and grilled shrimp here, and I got a little bit of butter sauce here on the side. I'm so excited, y'all. This salad is actually from Chick-fil-A, and they kind of got me messed up because when I got up there, they was like, is it okay that it doesn't have any eggs? Like, I don't know if it's because it's a new Chipotle, so where they ain't had no eggs yet. But I feel like it's been open for like at least 2 months, maybe. At least, I don't know. I was in my feelings because the eggs is the best part to me. And I got a little bit of what's this? Caesar. I like Caesar and ranch on my salad, and I don't like my salad dry. So y'all probably be like, "Oh, that's hella." So I might add more. Okay. Let's get into it. Oh my god, I thought that was an onion for a minute. I was about to go crazy. I hate raw onions. You don't want any shrimp. Look at that seasoned girl. Look at that. Quit playing, y'all. Quit playing. It's good. Come on now. But y'all, this is really good. Like, the skin don't want to come off. Some people actually eat the skin, like Lovely Mimi. That's my girl. I love watching her. She eats it with the shell off. It's so seasoned, like, it's good. And then the butter sauce just tops it off. So, y'all, I gotta take pictures for Instagram. So, I gotta hurry up. But I definitely want to enjoy this salad with y'all. Let me just give y'all a little disclaimer. If y'all see tomatoes, just know that a girl is not eating them. I hate tomatoes. Strictly decoration. So y'all, I'm drinking this Powerade sugar-free. I was sick and I asked Drew to pick me up some Gatorades and stuff, and he got sugar-free. I literally, excuse me, only like the blue kind, but it has to be super cold. It has to be really cold. But the red one, ugh, Kamari drinks that. This is wonderful. Would I be fat? That's probably nasty. Hold on, I gotta try it again to make sure. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's just like really salty. Maybe if I didn't put the Caesar dressing on it, but I'm good. It's just an email. Okay. So Wednesday, all it is. Okay. I've been dating this. Let me get. Hold on. Let me get something in my palate. It's kind of long. Oh, okay. It's coming. Excuse me. Alright, let me read this. I've been dating this guy that's hung up on his ex. He says bringing her up in conversations, and guess who I ran into, but over and over again. Like, okay, not really. I'm in love with him, but I definitely think something's going on, so much so that I made a fake Instagram and followed his ex. She likes the post. I'm happy. Me and my dude be going through it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Come for me, y'all. Come for me. Going through it, but that's bae. I'm looking for a photo of her and bae. I seen she posted a pic with the dude, but his face was covered. She didn't tag him underneath the picture, but she tagged him on... She didn't tag him underneath the post, but she tagged him in the picture. I instantly cried like I knew it, but I didn't want to see it. I didn't confront him because we were on a break at the time, so I continued to follow her, and things were going good between me and my dude. Until he got up in the middle of the night and left. And said it was an emergency. The next morning, she posed her and the newborn. She gave birth to, which means him, her, infant. This nigga had a baby on me. Hurt wasn't even the word. How do I tell him I know about this newborn and his ex? P.S. She knows about me. Okay, so let me sum it up because I was burping for y'all, and I'm sorry. I feel another one coming up. But, excuse me, there we go. Okay, so pretty much her and her boyfriend been off and on. When they were off, he was, I guess, going to his ex. That's crazy. It had a baby with her on you. I don't know. Like, I don't know.
Eventually.
Babe, what you think?
Oh, what, shorty?
On the situation, what you think? Because I'm at a loss for words right now. I'm really at a loss for words. Because how did old dude... Like, why were you allowing that? Like, even though y'all was on the break, like... No, why are you going back to your ex? You went over her in the first place. So, when I seen that... That's an issue for me.
Listen, I ain't at no loss of words.
Thought something. You got some word food.
I ain't at no loss of words, y'all. Let me talk.
She was dating this dude or whatever, and while they were on a break, I guess he fooled around with his ex-girlfriend. Now baby mama. And got her pregnant.
Baby mama, she upgraded, huh? Well, my question, I only got a question first, back.
Okay.
Was they on break?
Whoa.
While this was going on?
While the baby was conceived? I don't know.
But, Shorty said, what should she say? Nothing. Slide, bro. Get up out of there. It ain't nothing to talk about. And I'm not going to even blame the dude wholeheartedly because you already seen the red flags. That's women's problem. Y'all see red flags because y'all see potential. Potential, a lot of us don't hit potential. Remember that. Real talk.
That's true.
A lot of us don't hit that potential y'all see.
Thank you.
I did for her, but hand me.
No, don't take my food.
Oh, my bad. I was done here.
Get out of here. I'm gonna fight you later. Be ready to fight, okay?
But for real, what you say, man?
Yeah, she definitely needs to leave him. Ain't no confront him, because if you confront him, then that means you care. You want to build it back.
And what's the point of giving him that energy? Exactly.
So, thank you, baby.
No
I was stuck. So, yes, sir. I'm sorry. It's really no taking him back after that, cause like even if they did conceive while y'all was on a break, don't you feel betrayed in a way? You know, like that's his ex. Ex is an ex for a reason, baby. For real, for real. But yeah, girl. My advice to you is ain't no confronting. And let's just say you do want to make it work. Let me put my little I'm leaving nigga beside and just tell you. So say I wanted to make things work. I would, good. I would definitely tell him, just be like, somebody told me. I always say that. Especially because you know, you need to keep following her. If you want to go this route, you need to keep following her. To make sure you're not being her little lies. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to have y'all both. Because you said she knew about you. So I automatically know that she okay, we'll keep doing it. So that he gonna keep trying to mess with you and her. And that's not.
I'm sorry, y'all.
Yeah, baby, it's
that
cute.
feels better than this
Yeah.
one?
I like the dark one better.
That one? Okay.
You ugly though.
Yeah,
No, you cute.
bad for us.
No, you cute, baby.
All right,
I'm
y'all
finished. We all gonna fight him, y'all. I don't know who worse, him or Kamar. So, I definitely would leave him, but yeah, girl, keep following Shorty. Tell him somebody told you, and call it a day. Oh, y'all relationship is so messed up. If you gotta keep doing that, you know, this salad is so good. And believe it or not, y'all, I gave half my salad to him already. Come and eat my stuff he ain't ate. Get on my nerves. I'm thirsty. Y'all, I swear I can only drink this stuff cold. It's so nasty. Super duper cold. Oh, excuse me. So, y'all, let me tell you how this customer at work, was trying to fuck with me real quick. My foot almost gone. But, so, think of Danny DeVito type of guy. Okay? Okay? So, excuse me, y'all. I'm sitting there looking cute. It's my job, you know, I'm a receptionist, if you didn't know. Sitting there with my little headset on, looking cute. And he comes and asks me, have I ever heard of a place called Cincy Barbecue? No, City Barbecue. And at first I didn't understand because he was kind of like, his accent was a little heavy. So I couldn't really understand. So he said Cincy Barbecue. And so I was like, oh yeah, there's one kind of close to us. So, excuse me, I Googled the place for him. And he want to follow up. What you want on the menu? I was telling him nothing because I was eating later. Which I am. He was like, can I eat with you? Like, sir, you're old. You're too old to be saying stuff like that. I was like, I don't know how my boyfriend and my daughter would feel about that. He replies, no husband? Ugh. I was just, like, my face had it all. I just turned my face up. I can't help it sometimes. My resting bitch face, and it's just bad. So, I just looked at him. He was like, oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you. And he just walked off. And I'm just like, why? Like, men, why? Once I said, boyfriend, you should have just walked away. You know, your plan was shut down. Nothing else should have been said after that. Like, not husband. Bitch, no, you heard me. Okay, y'all. This was delicious, so like always, let me know down below what you think. This food was so good, so cute and white. You know, I need a glass of wine in my night. Bars, okay? I'm gonna catch you on my next video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.